Okay, so 10th standard students, this video is exactly the continuity of your last video. In the last video, we already have discussed about the aluminium industry. Actually, nowadays we are just going through the geography part, India industries, and we are now discussing about the major industries of India, because India is having several types of industries and small, big, every type. Okay, but the major industries of India, why these are major industries? Because these are producing such a product which is very much necessary for the country, as well as we are earning the foreign exchange also by exporting. Though aluminium we are not able to export because we don't produce that much of aluminium within the country, but aluminium is a very vital thing which, if it is not produced in India, we have to import more, and so we have to pay more foreign exchange. Okay, so here we are only discussing about the industries which are very much significant as per their uses in our country. So we have already completed this iron and steel industry, then we have completed this aluminium industry, and now we are going through the cotton textile industry. Cotton, everybody you know, okay, boys and girls, everybody, males and females, they use cotton cloths. Okay, during summer we are very much comfortable with the cotton cloths because it absorbs the heat. Okay, so it is very much comfortable during the summer season. Not only cotton is used for cloths, there are several things in our daily life which we are using which are made of cotton. Okay, and cotton, you people all know that cotton is a agricultural crop. Okay, it is a crop. Okay, see, iron ore and this aluminium, these are made from the metal which we are getting from the mining area, means they are present inside the earth as metal. But this cotton industry, regarding this cotton industry, I can tell you, this uses a raw material which is not getting from the mining area. This is being, we are getting it from cultivation of cotton crop. Okay, cotton textile industry is the cotton textile industry is the biggest and one of the most important branch of textile industry in India. Okay, people in India uses several types of cloths, what we wear, garments. Okay, other than garments also there are several things. Even you can see the cotton curtains also. Like this, I don't want to tell you, you can understand that how many things in our daily necessity or like that, only these carpets and all. Okay, so sofa covers, curtains, okay, even the dusters, everything is made of cotton cloths only, means cotton, that thread only. Okay, we are giving it the shape of garments, curtains, whatever, but the main thing is that cotton. Okay, cotton is raw, from that we are making it cotton thread, and with that thread we are weaving it so that we can prepare as per our need. So cotton textile industry is the biggest and one of the most important branch of textile industry in India. Okay, one of the important branch of textile industry in India. It is the most important agro based industry. Those are metal based industry because their main raw material is iron ore, aluminium, whatever, they are metal. So they are metal based industry. But cotton industry, it is a agro based industry. Agro is a word which is connected with agriculture. Okay, so agro based, because the main raw material for the cotton textile industry is cotton, which we get as a crop. It is the most important agro based industry. Indian cotton textiles are in great demand. Okay, Indian cotton textile, I am telling you only regarding the garments. They don't only have the demand within the country, but we are exporting it to other countries also, because there is a huge demand for all these cotton, garments in other countries also. So Indian cotton textiles are in great demand all over the world. Okay. Since from long ago, cotton cloth making was known to the Indians. See, from very beginning, okay, means suppose 300-400 years ago also, people know how to make cotton cloths. Okay, so since from long ago, cotton cloth making was known to the Indians. Later, it was confined to handlooms. Previously, we know that how to make this cotton cloth, but afterwards it becomes, or it is confined to handlooms. Handlooms means nothing but handlooms. Okay, handlooms is weaving of thread. Okay, so that we can get that cloth, and where electricity is not used. Okay, that is known as handloom. So after weaving only we can get that thread, and with that thread only we can make cloth, and with that cloth only we can give it shape for various things. Okay, so since from long ago cotton cloth making was known to the Indians, later it was confined to handlooms. The first modern cotton textile industry was started in 1854 at Mumbai. 1854. Okay, means almost 100 years, not 100 years, 54, 4, 5, 6, 7, means 93 years before our independence, we started this cotton textile industry, and it was first done in Mumbai. Okay, not Mumbai, Maharashtra, Mumbai also. And it was the year 1854. The first modern cotton textile industry. Okay, modern cotton textile industry means they used modern technology, skilled laborers, so that we can get a cloth with high potential. Okay, so the first modern cotton textile industry was started in 1854 at Mumbai. India ranks second position in the world in respect of cotton fabric production, next to China. China is the biggest producer and manufacturer of they are the producer and manufacturer of this cotton fabric textile industry, and not only that, they are also in the first rank, China, for exporting the cotton textile fabrics to other countries of the world. But India ranks second position in the world. Okay, not only in Asia, we are in the world. We have got the second position in respect of cotton fabric production, next to China. Also, India is the second largest exporter of cotton textile. So what happened here, I can tell you. First and second. First is China, second is India. In which other sector? It is in the manufacturing and exporting of cotton fabrics to other countries. We are in the second, they are in the first position. The localization of cotton textile industry depends on, the localization. What is localization of any industry, it is localized in such a place where they can get the main raw material for that industry very easily. Also other things are there, electricity, transport, these are the things we can get. Okay, but suppose you are having cotton production in Kashmir. Is it possible to make I am giving you an example, okay, that I am having means the country is producing mainly the cotton in Kashmir, but my cotton textile industry, it is in Kanyakumari. So there will be a huge transport cost. Okay, so it is not favorable to set up a cotton textile industry in such a place where I can get the raw material, which is the main thing I require, at such a huge distance. Okay, so the localization of cotton textile industry depends on the supply of raw cotton. Okay, the raw cotton is the main thing, and apart from that, hydroelectricity power supply is very much needed. Wide market, capital, skilled labor is also required, or else you can't do this one weaving of cotton properly. So skilled labor and humid climate should not be so much cold and not so much hot also, but it should have a relevant of moisture in the air. Okay, cotton textile industry is widely distributed over more than 76 towns and cities of India. Okay, in almost 76 towns and cities of India, we are having cotton textile industry. Maybe they are small, semi-small or medium. Okay, but we are having 76 towns and cities in India. It is mainly concentrate in the major cotton growing states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, etc. Okay, these are the states. They are the leading producer of cotton. Maharashtra and Gujarat are the leading manufacturer of cotton textile. So Maharashtra and Gujarat, we can get means that they are leading, and the huge production is getting done, means huge production of fabrics. Cotton fabrics is done in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Maharashtra and Gujarat are also known as, Maharashtra is known as cotton polish. Okay, and Gujarat is known as the Manchester of India. So with this, we have already finished this thing, cotton textile industry. So another 3 industries is left, that is the sugar industry, paper industry, and the knowledge based industry, which we will be discussing in tomorrow's video. Thank you and have a nice day.